Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a poll on WhatsApp. It was a new update. The feature is enabled on WhatsApp beta users, and every WhatsApp users will be get this update soon. So now we can see how the poll option on the WhatsApp are working and how it look on the WhatsApp beta. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first update your WhatsApp to the beta version or wait for your normal WhatsApp update. So you can just my beta version updated for creating poll. So just select the media. You can select the poll option on the bottom and you can ask any question in group. So if you are a teacher, you can ask your students how many days that you want leave, or you can ask your employees about some questions. There is only the questions poll have been activated. There is no image poll or activated here. So you can type whatever the questions that you want. So just type your question or type any suggestions and you can give options here. If you can also play some riddles or some questions and answers here, and you just can type how many options that you have to given. I just tried my 5 options. More than 6 options have been shown here, so you can try, and you can also rearrange the option by just clicking it. Just click here and you can drag and you can move the polls for your arrangement. You can change the polls after typing, so your options can be changed. And I just send it, and even I can vote the poll. So I just can vote everything, so everyone can vote every options. So you only want to select one, you can select for one vote. If you want to select every options, you can select everything vote. And I just switch to my business WhatsApp. Here I just going to vote. You can see the voting report here, and I just click voting for 3 options. So you can change, you can see the changes, and you can change, you can please clearly see the voting options, view votes, and you can see how many votes which options are get, and you can see clearly everything. And this business WhatsApp also have the enabled the voting option here also. Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more updates like WhatsApp tricks and new updates of WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.